Hi, I'm Yogi, and today I'm going to be answering some questions around how I got into juicing and why I got into juicing, just my juicing journey. In 2018, when I moved into my husband's house, I kind of lost my purpose. I lost my identity. During that time, it was a very difficult time for me actually. I started really drinking. I started drinking heavy. I fell into the gateways of alcohol. I became an alcoholic at that time. And it was about a year and a half of drinking every day. Body just kind of shut down to the point where I had to make a drastic decision in my life. And somebody like me that always was into fitness and very goal driven, coming from here and falling completely down, that to me was devastating, and it's something that I couldn't even control. So in October of 2019, I started reaching out for help. I started getting therapy and rehab, and I remember one of my therapists mentioned juicing to me. Because of the alcohol, I was so intoxicated. I mean, I had rashes all over my body. I was at my worst peak ever in my life. I spoke to my husband and I'm like, you know what? Let's get a juicer. I want to start juicing. And I remember I started very simple with just carrots, spinach, and apple. And at first, I drank the juice and it just felt so refreshing. It was awesome. I drank juice every day, like every single day for 5 days, almost all day. I started to juice, and it took about 3 days for my body to start healing. Like the first thing I started noticing was all my rashes started leaving. My skin started like glowing. I started feeling more energy. I started getting more of that being happy and alive, something that I lost for about a year and a half. It was horrible. So when I started feeling good, I started really becoming passionate about juicing. That's when I started wanting to learn more and get more educated on juicing. I remember it was probably in 2020, around March timeframe, that I started looking into getting my certification around holistic practitioner, and I also got a certification around juice therapy because I really wanted to help especially women that are not just struggling with weight, that are also struggling with their health, or even women that are struggling with some type of addiction like I struggled with. And I started really learning about what juicing does and how it heals your body, how it prevents you from getting diseases, how it just helps your overall immune yourself. Juicing changed my life around completely. It made me a better mom. It made me a better wife. It made me a better person. Once I got all my certifications, I'm like, I can make a difference in so many people's lives, especially women, because I'm passionate about helping women. Because guess what? If the woman is happy at home, there's a happy home. Happy wife, happy life, right? It's a very famous quote, and I truly believe in it. When I was drinking and I was miserable and I was completely down on the floor, this was a sad home, and it impacted my entire family, my kids, my husband, everybody. When I got out of that whole slump and I was reborn and living again, and I started juicing and taking care of my body, taking care of my mental state, and I'm so happy. My home is happy. Everyone's happy. So I kind of wanted to make a difference in women's lives and their health and touch their homes in a positive way. And I've been able to do that. I've been able to do that in so many different ways. And I want to continue my journey and passing that along. And that's why I'm so passionate about building a community through juicing, through wholesome foods, through my HIIT workouts, and just creating a healthy lifestyle that it's balanced, that it gives you the ability to travel and indulge in good things. Of course, we all love a good cheesecake, ice cream here and there, but the majority of the time you want to have that healthy lifestyle, that you wake up in the morning and you feel really good about yourself. Who wants to feel bad? Who wants to be sick? Nobody. So that's where I really became so passionate and so driven about really becoming an expert around juicing and what juicing does, because through daily juicing you will see that it will change your life from the inside out. 100% guaranteed. If you like my videos, please, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and keep following me for more healthy tips.